Hello friends, in this video you will see how to remove everything superfluous from Windows 11, make it fast, easy and suitable for comfortable work even on not the most powerful computers. If you haven't seen how to do it with Windows 10, be sure to check it out. But this guide will be very different. Now we will work not through the terminal, but through tweakers, special programs that make it very easy to change your system. It's going to be interesting, so get comfortable and let's start changing Windows 11. When you first installed Windows 11 or bought a computer that came pre-installed with Windows 11, there are a lot of different programs, as well as links to install something else. Let's start minimizing. The first program I will show you is Dism++. The link is in the description. We simply download it as zip archive, unpack, and run the x64 file. There are many interesting functions for working with hidden Windows settings as well as for cleaning. But we need Apps and Features section. Here we see installed applications that can be removed. To do this, select and click Remove. Various libraries, codecs, and especially drivers shouldn't be removed, they will come in handy. Here you can find programs you don't need and remove them. OneDrive, if you do not use it, you can also delete here. At the top there is another tab, Features. We look through the list and choose a status, disabled, enabled or even removed. If you do not use something, for example Windows Search, you can simply disable it. You can also disable other features that are included here. Just Google or look carefully so that they are not used in programs or games that you will need. Once you've ticked the boxes the way you want them, click Apply at the bottom right. Another section for uninstalling built-in apps is appx. This is exactly what we removed through the terminal in this video. Select with checked boxes those packages that are not useful to you, and then delete everything with the Remove button. For example, you can remove advertising, wallet, news, games, Office Hub, all packages related to Xbox, People app, mixed reality, XML libraries and VCLibs. It is preferable to leave, especially if you do not delete the Microsoft Store and will use applications from it. Again, maps, advertising, weather, voice recorder, Paint, Start Assistant, Zoom Music and video. Screen Sketch is an application for screenshots. It can come in handy. Alarm clocks and Xbox again. Power Automate can be removed. This is a new program for automating my tasks. I'll leave it, maybe I'll make a video about it. Write in the comments if you're interested in this. And in general, support this video with comments. They help a lot so that YouTube recommends it to others. Another to-dos application for scheduling tasks. You can remove it. Teams, I don't need it either. The list has come to an end, so click the Remove button. And now the removal is completed, although not everything could be deleted. Some applications are protected, the owner is the system. After that, open the usual Start menu and find here programs that are not really programs, but they are installers. If you don't need Clipchamp video editor, pick Start, WhatsApp, photo editor, Messenger, Lightroom, etc. Just press right click and remove. And now on our computer there are much fewer programs and shortcuts, and Windows has become a little faster, although if you have a modern computer you will not notice this. Now you can install the programs that you use and keep doing cleanups and keep an order on the disk. Watch more about this on our channel. The next tweaker is called This is Windows 11. It has an open source code, it has been tested by many computer scientists in different countries, which means that you do not have to worry about security. Download it on GitHub, the latest version from this link, zip archive, unpack and run the TF11 program. At the first start you need to allow the antivirus to work. Click for details and complete. The tweaker only works on Windows 11. Our assembly is shown at the top right. On the left side there is a menu, and the first brush icon is Windows 11 customization. There are different categories of tweaks and changes you can make to your system. It is best to press the check button below, and the program will determine which settings have not yet been made, and then we will correct it. I advise you to add this item here, create a restore point, so you can roll back all the changes back if something goes wrong. Next is personalization. Here you can disable Snap Assist, disable and remove widgets. These checkboxes make the taskbar not in the center but on the left, reduce in size and hide for additional monitors. Then there are hidden icons on the taskbar, for example Search, Teams. This is the inclusion for the Explorer from Windows 10. I will leave the new Explorer. Folder and file settings show hidden files and the extensions. Next is the disk cleanup script. I will do it myself when needed. In the system section you can, as in Dism++, disable fax services, XPS documents, connect the subsystem for Linux and for Android, as well as a virtual machine, if you need it of course, and disable Microsoft Teams. Next, there are settings for games, disabling game DVR and power throttling. On Hover you can see the description and path in settings where all this can be changed manually. Privacy is a good section. It turns off services to track your activities, telemetry, ads and various notifications, as well as biometric login and auto installation of applications. And the last section is apps permissions. Here you can prevent third-party applications from accessing specific actions or devices. When you have ticked the boxes, press Fix Issues and changes will be applied. How to undo these changes? For example, I want to return the Start and Taskbar to the center. Reset all checkboxes, select only what is associated with the Start and press the white button. Restore by default. Some settings will change after reboot. Next is the Apps section. Here again the application packages. We have already deleted many through Dism++, but you can go through it again. Move what you want to delete to the right list and click Empty Bin. Some applications will not be removed because they are needed for other programs. The third section is Packages. Here we have collected the most popular programs that you may need after installing Windows. You can select checkboxes you need and start the automatic download and installation. The fourth section includes several more functions. The only thing I liked here was the addition of a maximum performance power plan, much faster than doing it manually. And the last section, a few more third-party scripts, disable TPM20 check, enable automatic admin login, enable classic context menu, and boot animation like in Windows 10X. That's all. Now let's reboot, and we can see how our taskbar looks like after minimization. We see that there are much fewer icons and programs. Also, if we find the performance settings, we will see that the visual is at maximum performance. And performance has really improved. This is confirmed by Task Manager. Let's run it, and as you can see, Windows 11 began to eat less RAM by as much as 800 MB. And there are fewer processes running, instead of 160, 128. In any case, this will have a positive effect on how your main programs and games will work, because it will be a little easier for the processor and there will be a little more RAM. Of course, your Intel Core i3 will not become i7, but performance will increase by 2–4% due to such small actions. Here are before and after benchmark results. As you can see, according to it, productivity increased by 5%. Not weak, right? But given the error, the real figure may be lower. Visually, Windows 11 accelerated noticeably, thanks to tweakers. It really feels like Windows open faster and applications launch faster. So like and write a good comment or question. Thank you for staying on our channel. I wish your PC be no problem. See you on the air.